Can I cancel a transaction if I've been scammed on Rocket Money? Introduction. Have you ever been scammed online? It's a terrible feeling, isn't it? You trust a platform, you make a purchase, and then, nothing. You're left feeling violated and out of pocket. Today, we're going to tackle a specific question. Can you cancel a transaction if you've been scammed on Rocket Money? Let's dive in. Understanding Rocket Money. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of cancellations, let's quickly recap what Rocket Money is. It's a financial technology platform that helps users manage their finances more efficiently. It offers features like bill negotiation, subscription management, and credit monitoring. But can it protect you from scams? Common scams on Rocket Money. Unfortunately, scammers can infiltrate any platform. Here are some common scams you might encounter on Rocket Money. Phishing scams. You might receive emails or texts claiming to be from Rocket Money, asking for your personal information. These are attempts to steal your identity. Overpayment scams. A scammer might overpay for something you're selling and then ask you to refund the difference. Once you do, they disappear. Fake customer support scams. Scammers might pose as Rocket Money customer support representatives, trying to trick you into sharing sensitive information. Can you cancel a transaction? Now, the million-dollar question. Can you cancel a transaction if you've been scammed on Rocket Money? The answer is, it depends. Immediate action is key. If you realize you've been scammed as soon as the transaction goes through, contact Rocket Money's customer support immediately. They may be able to reverse the transaction or provide guidance on what to do next. Dispute with your payment provider. If Rocket Money is unable to help, you may need to dispute the transaction with your payment provider, e.g., credit card company, PayPal. They have processes in place to investigate fraudulent charges. Report the scam. It's also important to report the scam to the appropriate authorities, such as the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, or your local law enforcement. This helps protect others from falling victim to the same scam. Additional tips. Be cautious of unsolicited offers. If you receive an offer that seems too good to be true, it probably is. Be wary of unsolicited emails, texts, or calls. Verify information. Before sharing any personal information or making a payment, double-check the legitimacy of the website or individual you're dealing with. Use strong passwords. Protect your Rocket Money account by using a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication. Adding an extra layer of security can help prevent unauthorized access to your account. Conclusion. While it's unfortunate that scams can occur on platforms like Rocket Money, there are steps you can take to protect yourself and potentially recover your losses. If you find yourself in a situation where you believe you've been scammed, act quickly and seek assistance from Rocket Money or your payment provider. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.